So you have a Type-C charging cable, and there they are. Okay, now I don't know how to put these on. I guess we're gonna find out. Bluetooth mode. These are just speakers that sit outside the ear, and they make the sound, and then you can hear that. Now everybody else around you will also be able to hear that. So there's that. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cute as well. It's a bit big in my opinion. I mean, that's big. The big headphones, well, for headphones they're pretty small, but I'll talk more about it in the sound. I will have a review of these coming up, so if you do have any questions, ask me in the comment section below.